Alright guys, so today we're working on this 2000 Expedition 4x4. It needs a couple things. It needs a wheel bearing on the passenger side front, it needs idler arm, and a tie rod ends. So we're going to start on the wheel bearing first, I believe.
Yeah, you can see how loose that is. Yeah, he has them stripped down in there. But what's nice is I have enough sticking out. I'll put a pair of channel locks on it. And those. Yeah, I don't want to take. Ooh. Before I take the caliper off, since I know I got to take out this nut, do that first. Can't push caliper back at all because the hose is clogged. See, the brake hose was twisted.
Level. That was easier than the Equinox.
Got unhook. Let's unhook this a while for the ABS. That. See if I can get on the back bolts for the wheel bearing.
Come on, Ford, do what you do. Just fall apart. Oh, it's out. Hit the bottom. Hit the bottom. Your bottom's stuck, your top's loose. No way. Did that just fall out? No way. Dude, no one's gonna believe that really happened.
It's not like an Equinox.
Oh my God. That's like amazing.
Nice. I'm not complaining.
No. That just doesn't ever happen. That's like what you hope is going to happen, and then it never does.
Yeah, that normally... That means something's on buyer's later.
Yeah.
That's all that means.